Hey dude, how's it going?
Good, what's new?
I've been looking for something to race my dirt buggy against.
Yeah, I've always wanted to build an off-road truck. Maybe I'll build one and race ya.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it!
Hey, what you doing?
I'm welding a rear bar on my truck better.
Nice welding helmet.
I got the helmet from Iron Man.
Ah, cool. Well, we'll see you at the starting line, dude. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready, set. That was awesome. I almost had you.
That was definitely a close race.
That truck's fast.
No kidding, that new engine is solid. Hey, I was thinking, we both have construction companies. Why don't we build a city out here together?
What should we call the construction company?
Let's call it Epic City Builders.
Yeah, let's do it.